journey of this guy from poverty to crypto riches. This video is for those who want to make money through cryptocurrency and want to become rich. In this video, I would like to tell you about the journey of a guy who made his financial independence and how you may do the same. Using these ideas will undoubtedly increase your earnings. Watch the video to learn how to make the best source of income. Let's start the video. The cryptocurrency began as a means of survival for him in the beginning. He started his life with nothing, just like everyone else. To begin with, he had no notion of how to create money or develop riches since he came from a poor home. All of that changed, though, when he learned about cryptography. As of today, he is on a mission to become a cryptocurrency billionaire. What is cryptography? It uses cryptography for security to make digital or virtual cash crypto. No central authority is in charge of cryptocurrencies, meaning they can't be manipulated by governments or financial institutions. The earliest and most well-known cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, was developed in 2009 and is still widely used today. Cryptocurrencies may be exchanged and used to buy products and services on decentralized exchanges. How is cryptography explained in this video? To record transactions, cryptocurrencies employ blockchain technology. All Bitcoin transactions are recorded on a blockchain. Nodes on the network use cryptography to verify the authenticity of transactions, which are then stored in a distributed ledger known as a blockchain. Bitcoin nodes verify transactions using Bitcoin mining. Bitcoins are generated via the process of mining. Verifying and committing transactions to the blockchain is a lucrative business for Bitcoin miners. Mining is also used to validate transactions in ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency by market value. The 6 stages to crypto wealth, why it's possible, and how to get there. Cryptocurrency can and will make you wealthy. Why? Because cryptocurrency can empower everyone financially. You may become your own bank with the help of cryptocurrency. You are in charge of your own money and can do anything you want with it. Cryptocurrency is a global currency that may be used in any country. As a result, no one can control or influence crypto. To become a crypto billionaire, there are 6 stages. The first step is to start by educating yourself. Learn as much as you can about cryptocurrency before you can become a billionaire. Learning about cryptography and how it works is a must. Gaining knowledge is a win-win situation. Make use of the many resources available to you. The second step is you should become involved. The next step is to participate. Get involved in the cryptocurrency market by buying and selling digital currency. A Bitcoin exchange is the best method to achieve this. Coinbase or Binance are good options. You may begin buying and trading cryptocurrency as soon as you create an account. HODL is the third step. HODL stands for Hold On for Dear Life in cryptocurrency. When you invest in cryptocurrency, you should save it for the long haul. Don't put yourself up for sale. To be a crypto billionaire, you need to HODL your coins. It's time to broaden your investment horizons with the last step, diversifying your portfolio. Putting all of your eggs in one basket is a bad idea. Diversification is a must when investing in cryptocurrencies. This entails purchasing a wide range of cryptocurrencies. Investing in at least 5 different kinds of cryptocurrency is a good strategy. It's better to be prepared in case one of your cryptos fails. Step 5. Keep yourself up to date. Keeping up with current events is the last phase. You must stay up to speed on all the latest crypto news and developments to stay ahead of the curve. Cryptocurrency news sites and social media profiles might be a great start. CoinDesk, Crypto Coins News, and Bitcoin Magazine are a few commendable. 6th step. Wait until the right time. The last step is to wait for the results to accumulate. This is a long-term investment. You will not become a crypto billionaire in a day or two. It's not tedious. You will have to hold on for dear life if you can't wait. The advantages of using cryptography. There are several advantages to using crypto. Bitcoin can empower everyone financially. You may become your own bank with the help of cryptocurrency. You are in charge of your own money and can do anything you want with it. Cryptocurrency is a global currency that may be used in any country. No one can control or influence crypto since it is decentralized. Cryptocurrency's high volatility is another advantage. As a result, there is a great deal of price fluctuation, implying several possibilities to profit handsomely. It also means that you stand to lose a significant sum of money. Because of this, you must exercise caution. Cryptocurrency, on the other hand, is only getting started. In other words, there's a lot of room for development here. As a result, if you get engaged today, your investment might expand astronomically in the coming years. Cryptocurrency is the future of money, and I am really optimistic about its long-term prospects. Investing in crypto might be a risky proposition, but it's one worth doing if you are thinking about it. Path of this guy to financial success. Initially exposed to Bitcoin in 2013, he became interested in cryptography. He was a software developer at the time and was intrigued by this new technology. When the price of Bitcoin was approximately $100 per coin, he began investing in the currency. His interest in cryptocurrencies grew over the following years, so he kept buying Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. He is a firm believer in the revolutionary power of cryptocurrency. His goal is to become a crypto billionaire because of this. He knows it seems illogical, but he is sure cryptocurrency will make him a multi-millionaire someday. He has been investing in crypto in recent years, and his investment has grown. His progress is steady, but he is not quite there. It is common to hear that crypto is a means to an end, and that the beginning begins with a vision. To get started, where can you go to learn more about cryptography? Many materials are available to anyone who wants to learn more about cryptocurrency. If you want to start, begin with the following. For an overview of the crypto market and values for different currencies, check out CoinMarketCap. There is a wealth of Bitcoin-related news and information on this website. To learn more about Ethereum, visit ethereum.org, the second largest crypto website in terms of market capitalization. Everything crypto may be found in Reddit. Multiple crypto-related subreddits, including news and conversation. Watching YouTube videos on the Wiki Crypto can undoubtedly increase your knowledge about the latest and well-researched crypto information. This was all from my side to guide you about the income sources through cryptocurrency. Please subscribe and press the bell button if you are new to the channel so you don't miss any new stuff. Comment below if this video was helpful or if you have any concerns regarding how to generate money.